Man, what's happening, YouTube? Y'all see what we got? We got the dog riding the Hemi. Diesel say what's up to YouTube. He know we riding. He know we about to do something. I gotta drop him out. He like, nah, bunk all of that. Look at his jaw just moving. Oh, he a good boy though. He like riding the hill. You got the dog. Hey, first POV with the dog and the Hemi, man. Ain't nobody doing it like me. Ain't that right, boy? Yeah. Yeah. He all up in my face with this stink mouth. Yeah, too money. Let me go ahead and switch over. Get over real quick. I can't do too much. I got the dog in the vehicle. I got a dog on board. Got too money. It's gonna be a little quick POV though. I'm about to drop him on. What do you think about the downshift, Diesel? Hold on, whoa, whoa, hold on, hold on, whoa, 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 hold on, big dog, hold on, get down. Oh, hold on, I'm on a curve. I'm on a curve. You better hold on if you're gonna be up there. Hold on, whoa, 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 here we go. Oh, God, get out. Watch out. Get back over there on your side. Don't have no dog in y'all vehicle. He hitting on my ear. That Diesel. I ain't like that, big dog. I got stuff on the floor. Y'all forgive me. I gotta do a little bit of cleaning. I hope everyone is doing great this morning, or this afternoon, or this night, whatever, whenever you're watching this. Hear the birds, cars drive by. Everything is such a vibe today. Smell some of that good air, boy. Cause it's a vibe. Sit back, relax, kick in the video. Headphones on, brother, about to go. Hey, look, he's so heavy, the passenger. He's not even heavy. They gotta put on your seatbelt. You gotta put your seatbelt on, man. Your heavy behind got the daggone, the sensor going off. And he only, what, 8 months. 8 months. Yeah, only 8 months. He's only 8 months, by the way. Red nose pit. That's what type of dog he is. What type of breed. I don't know too much about dogs. The only thing I know, he's a red nose pit bull. Oh, he just passed gas. That joint just, psst. Oh, no. Let me go ahead and roll the window down. No, I ain't trying to smell none of that. Oh, God, that. Oh, I'm rolling it all the way down. God damn. I got a downshift on that one. God. I'm going to make you fall on that one, boy. You stink. Yeah, I'm mad now. You stink. I'm dropping you off quicker. Watch out. God. That thing popping, shifting. Man, you gonna have to sit down right there, boy. You gonna have to sit down right there. Why you looking at me like that? Look how he looking at me. Why you looking at me like that? Handsome doggy. A nice looking dog. Hold on, dude. Wake everybody up in the net with that downshift like that.